Okay, so I was just in bed watching YouTube, and my dog comes up on my bed and decides I'm gonna make a nest right here. So you can see him. This man made a nest, and like this is my spot. He made a nest, dude. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. Not even this. You cannot be doing this. I don't know, because there's like a rock underneath this and it's very sharp. I kind of hurt my leg the other day with it. Doesn't work. I have another one. I have a pet rock. I don't know why I have a pet rock. His name was Jerry. No, wait, no. No, that's... I have another. This one's Max. It was Jerry. I had Jerry somewhere. Here we see. Ugh. Anyways, I had another rock named Jerry, but this one's Max. Yeah, my dog made a nest. This. You made my legs a nest. Hey, okay. Anyways, yeah, I just wanted to get that. He's annoying. You're biting my leg. Anyways, yeah.